Look at the little ones. They are so ready. Okay, let me pick up the bottle because I keep dropping everything. Good morning, sweet ladies. Good morning, sweet ladies. Maybe I'm going to feed you through the fence today because that way I won't get hurt. Oh, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? We got some hungry girls and boys. I'll be right with you guys. I'm just going to feed the babies. Look at my baby. Can I have a kiss? Thank you. Can I have a kiss? Dolly? Dolly? At least I got one from Emmy Lou. Let the feeding begin. They did that so quickly. Look, there's still one more. We're going to get you on your starter feed. And then you will be satisfied. Love you. Time to feed the big babies now. Look at them. Mama, I'm coming. Oh, I should have been looking at the food. I just overflowed the bucket. Ooh. It was so muddy in there. But look, Sabbath's eating. Hi, baby. And Petoonie. And Big Mama all the way in the back. My gorgeous baby. Are you doing good, Petoonie? Oh, Mama. This is really my favorite part of the day. I just love coming down here and making them happy and filling their bellies, and they're getting more and more attached to us. And Sabbath is getting so big. I think he's gonna end up being bigger than Big Mama. Okay, it's time to go check on that Melinda. Look at all of them. They want their breakfast salad. Okay, let's go see. Is she in there? Will she let me get the eggs today? Oh, she's not in there. She's not in there. Are you going in there, Melinda? Are you going in there, Melinda? Look, she's going in there. No, she's not. Okay, I'm gonna get the eggs. This is great. I'm not gonna get bit. There's been a murder in the building. I wonder who did that. Maybe Melinda's turning into a bad mother after all. They've never done that before, but I've heard that chickens can do it. Melinda needs therapy, I'm telling you. Good morning, Sylvia. Should we see if there's any more eggies around? Oh, there's 2 more over here. She my baby girl. We having morning cuddles? I got a really good salad for you today with lots of leftovers from yesterday. Lots of leftovers. Right, let me collect the eggs and we'll have more cuddles. You guys, this is Julia. I named her after Julia Fox. She's a very special chicken to me because I literally brought her back from the brink of death. We didn't think she was going to make it. She was our smallest chicken. And now she's thriving. And she's starting to let me pick her up. You are never going to believe this, but I'm locked in the fucking chicken coop. I can't get out. So I figured I'd take the time and just have some more cuddles with Sylvia while someone comes to unlock the door. Just waiting patiently. This is the first time that's ever happened. It has quite a loose latch, but I never thought I'd get locked in here. Thank God somebody is home. Oh. Look, here comes Amanda to save the day. Oh my God. It's coming. Oh, thank God.
Oh my God.
I
Come
know.
on, chickies, no,
Stay in there. Shit, I can put that on tight now. What the
Make sure you screw it on well.
Let's try that again. Usually Sid does this because his hands are stronger than mine. I'm just gonna do it without the hands.
Yeah.
I'll get wet, but whatever.
Oh my God, it's super powerful.
Now.
Good job.
Okay, now let's see if I can screw off the top because usually he puts it on so tight I can't do it.
No.
I mean, what does he think? The ducks are gonna f***ing... We take this off and put it there. This thing is disgusting. I need to like spray clean it.
Yeah, it doesn't look good inside.
I hate it. I don't like it unless it's like perfectly clean. And the boys don't care, but I do. Where's the lid?
Here, I've got the lid.
Thank you. I'm going to put it on a normal tightness.
Yes, not so tight.
There we
Perfect.
go.
So that is Kelly, the mom to Sydney, enjoying her life at the farm, and I think that is the way how she can try to do away with all the